Hey everybody, it's Taylor with Boydston Grove, and today we're gonna make some custom baby rattles. Let's get into it. These rattles are gonna be for my newborn nephew, and since wooden baby toys are all the rage right now, it really wasn't hard to find a couple designs that I liked online. Once I found a few that I liked, I traced out my own versions of them and created some templates on Photoshop. You want to make sure that you're using the correct wood for your projects. For baby toys, you want to use a nice hardwood such as these. These right here are good because they're not only food safe, but they're very durable, so your toys will last much longer. I made these rattles out of hickory. It's not only an extremely hard, durable wood, but it's food safe. The hickory was pretty thick, so I resawed it to 1/2 inch on my table saw. I found some designs I liked online and redrew them to create my own versions and created a template. I started by drilling out the centers. It was easier to do it in the beginning rather than trying to hold on to the cut forms. I pulled out ye old scroll saw to cut the forms out. Being that it's 1/2 inch hickory, it did take a minute, but I actually found it kind of relaxing. Afterwards, I realized I completely forgot to drill out the eyes, so I went back to the drill press. I mounted my router on my bench and put a roundover on both sides of each rattle, both inside and out. I used a sanding bit in my drill press to get into all the hard to reach areas. Then it was time to install the rattle part. I used some 1/4 inch oak dowels with a combination of wood crafting beads and wooden toy wheels. I just needed to re-drill out the holes so they would move freely on the dowels. You could make your own shapes to go on your rattles. We just had so many of these beads and wheels left over from other projects, I figured why not. I'll make sure to leave links to what I used in the description below. For finish, I use Odie's oil. This stuff is awesome. It's food safe, easy to apply, and it smells delicious. All right, all 3 of our baby rattles are finished. I am super glad that I decided to use the Odie's oil for the finish, because once they were buffed out, they have a really nice sheen and they are super smooth to the touch. If you want to make these yourself, we offer the template with these 3 designs that I made on our website, so make sure to hit the link below and head over there and get your copy. Out of the 3 designs, I can't really decide which one's my favorite. I'm kind of leaning towards the rocket. Let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. We work on a new project every week, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have a great day.